At the foot of the Port Hills, along the Heathcote River, lies the suburb of Waltham, which is a family-friendly suburb close to the Christchurch CBD. And right in the heart of it, number 45 at 10 Buffon Street. Just 5 minutes from the local shopping centre, and surrounded by schooling options, with Hillview, St Mark's, Kura, Kaupapa Māori, and Waltham Primary right next door. Close to the incredible Waltham Park, with its laned swimming pool, skate park, basketball court, and playground, there's no shortage of after-school activities. Spend the weekends exploring the river or take a walk up the nature-filled valleys of the Port Hills. This townhouse, built in 2016, has everything you need for a comfortable lifestyle. Double glazing keeps the home warm and dry. Soak up the sun in the private rear courtyard, or make space for the budding garden hobbyist. Open plan living and dining make having guests a breeze, and the kitchen space is sure to bring out the master chef within. Up the stairs, you'll find 2 double bedrooms with built-in wardrobes, one of which features a master ensuite. Between these is the spacious main bathroom. The gated allocated car park ensures safety and security amongst the landscape surrounds. This home is perfect for a first-time buyer, downsizer, or an investor looking for busy professionals wanting to be close to the CBD.